In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a public Discord server. Whether you're on the desktop app or using Discord in your browser, I'll walk you through two simple methods, plus what to do if the server is private. First, let's use Discord's built-in Discover feature. Open Discord on your computer or in your web browser. On the left sidebar, look for the small compass icon labeled Discover. Click that to open a curated directory of communities. You can browse by categories like gaming, AI, art, and music, or use the search bar to type in a keyword for something specific you're interested in. When you find a server that looks right, click it to view a description and preview channels. If it feels like a fit, select Join Server to become a member right away. There's no invite link needed for this method. Keep in mind that Discover is fully available on PC and the web. On mobile, the feature can be limited or unavailable, so if you don't see the compass icon, try switching to a desktop or browser session. After you join, take a moment to read the server rules and consider adjusting your notification settings so you only get the alerts you want. Now, let's cover joining with a public invite link. Many communities share public links on their official websites, on social platforms like Twitter, Reddit, or YouTube, and in community hubs. When you see an invite, it typically looks like discord.gg followed by a short code. Click the link and Discord will open automatically in the app or your browser. You'll see a screen with the server name. Just click Accept Invite to join. If the link doesn't work or appears invalid, it may have been changed or disabled by the server. In that case, check the source and look for a newer link from the community's official channels. Finally, here's how private servers work. Private servers require an invite link from someone who manages the community. Ask the server owner or an admin for an invite, then click the link they provide. If you aren't signed in, log into your Discord account when prompted and click Accept Invite to enter. Be aware that private invites can expire after a set time or have a limited number of uses. If you see an expired message, simply request a fresh invite from the owner or admin. That's it. Pick the method that fits your situation, review the rules, and enjoy exploring new communities. Thanks for watching.